Hi everyone and welcome back to Macaroon. In this video I'm going to test out the most popular recipes I found online for making fake snow. Most of these are super easy and only use one or two ingredients that you probably already have at home or which you can easily get from shops that are still open during lockdown. This is a fun alternative to making slime or squishies, and you can even play with it if you're taking classes online or use it to entertain small children indoors. I'm also curious to see if we can make DTS snow ducks using the snowball maker from my last video. The first recipe is the easiest and you only need shaving cream. I found this one which is for sensitive skin and it doesn't contain any fragrance at all. I would definitely recommend getting a fragrance-free shaving foam if you can find it, because it looks and feels even more like snow. All you have to do is fill up a container and then freeze it. You can also do this in a cup or ziploc bag if you don't need to have a big amount. I left this in the freezer for 3 days, but I think it could have actually stayed in a bit longer. It has a great texture like frozen whipped cream, but it still feels a tiny bit soft. I think if you freeze it for a bit longer, then it becomes more crumbly like ice crystals. However, this was still very satisfying to play with, and it has the big advantage of feeling cold. It's like a mixture between ice cream and snow, and it melts pretty quickly, but it doesn't make your hands sticky. I tried my duck maker on this snow, but it didn't turn out very well. To be honest, I wasn't expecting anything different, because this is just shaving cream, and obviously that's not going to hold its shape if you put it inside a mold. You can, however, make some pretty decent snowballs with this, but you have to throw them quickly before they melt. The second recipe uses baking soda and cornstarch. You should mix equal parts together and then add water until it turns into a snow-like consistency. My biggest tip here is to be very careful when adding the water because you only need a tiny amount. I added too much by accident and the cornstarch started turning into oobleck, which has this weird slimy consistency. This was really annoying to fix, and I ended up having to add a ton of extra baking soda and cornstarch before it became solid again. This recipe has a sandy texture, almost like breadcrumbs, and the color is slightly pale yellow instead of pure white like snow. This one was quite a bit harder to make than I expected, but I did manage to get a pretty decent duck using the snowball maker. Unfortunately, it broke apart fairly quickly, but you can make basic shapes like snowballs using this. It's also worth mentioning that the ingredients in this recipe are exactly the same as in baking soda clay. The only difference is you have to heat it on the stove to make it thicker. I've linked the full tutorial here, and you can actually use this to make your own snow ducks that you can keep forever. The third recipe calls for baking soda and shaving cream. This one is really easy and there's no measuring, but you do need quite a lot of baking soda. Simply mix it with the shaving cream until you have a snow-like consistency. To my surprise, the final mixture actually feels slightly cold, which makes it very fun to play with. I feel this one looks incredibly realistic because the color is pure white and it appears crystalline instead of crumbly. You can make snowballs quite well with this, but I had some trouble getting the ducks to work. The main problem seems to be that this type of snow sticks much better to plastic than to itself, so I couldn't get it away from the two sides of the mold. But aside from that, I found this recipe great to work with and nothing gets wasted either. This mixture of baking soda and shaving foam is actually fantastic for cleaning up tough stains, so you can simply keep everything afterwards and just use it in the kitchen or bathroom. The final recipe is store-bought fake snow because I know lots of people are going to be curious about the comparison. This type of snow is made from sodium polyacrylate, which is a super absorbent polymer that you can also find in Orbeez or babies' diapers. You just need to add a tiny scoop and pour some water on top. This expands into a puffy snow that has an extremely soft and fluffy texture. However, as you can probably see on screen, this type of snow consists of tiny pieces of plastic and it doesn't stick to itself. You can't use this to make snowballs, and it obviously won't work for snow ducks either. However, it's very satisfying to play with and can be reused as often as you want. Just let the snowflakes dry out and you can keep them for later. So my favorite out of all of these was the baking soda and shaving foam recipe. I found it was very easy to make and created the most realistic texture. It also works very well for snowballs, however a bit less so for plastic molds. I also want to mention a fifth recipe that came up a lot on Pinterest. This one involves mixing cornstarch and conditioner or body lotion together. I actually made this for a video many years ago and it turned out well, but it didn't remind me very much of snow. So that's why I didn't want to repeat it again just for this video, but you can watch the original one here if you're curious. I hope this compilation was useful, and I've included a summary of all the fake snow recipes below. Please follow me on TikTok as well for more satisfying content. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!